The next skill is nature as nurture. Do you feel nurtured when you go into the woods? Is there some rejuvenating property that you find in nature? If you look around, you can see evidence of nurturing in nature. New plants, mother birds taking care of their young. All throughout nature, we have examples of how nature nurtures. Hi, this is Dr. Charlton Hall. I'm the Executive Director of the Mindful Ecotherapy Center. If you're enjoying our videos, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell to be informed when new videos are released. You can also learn more about the work of the Mindful Ecotherapy Center by visiting our website at mindfulecotherapy.org.